So I pulled off the left side cover already. You guys want to see how this stuff comes off? I got another video for removing the hood and stuff. Pretty simple, a couple clicks. These panels come off real easy. Same with the hood. So we got a 3-bar map sensor that we got to install. So we got to remove this right here. Redo my wrench. Now there's a hose on the bottom of it that we'll have to take off. Oh, that's got a nut on the bottom. And that's going to be fun trying to get that out of there. Oof. I saved it. Alright, so we got to unplug this. Oh, it's got a little clip on it too. So we got to push this, unplug it. And that's got a 3-pronger. What we got on this one? 3-pronger. Alright, so we're good. Plus it's got the hose on it. So have to undo the little clamp. Okay, so there's that one. I don't know what that is. It's just a one bar, but we need a 3-bar. Now we got to put this one back on. I got to get some different pliers. These ones aren't cutting it. Okay, so where am I going to set this so I don't drop it? So I got to pull this down just like that. Now we got to put this, plug this in. There. Okay, got our clamp back on there, so now we got to put that back down in. This is going to be fun. How the heck? Got to get that back under there without dropping it. Where's my ratchet? I need the extension off it. Let me get that started. Yeah, I'm thinking 10 millimeter, possibly. I'm thinking 10 millimeter possibly. That's if I can get it in there. There. Whew. Here's another one done. So we'll put the old one in there. Now we got to do the update the blow-off valve. The stock plastic one's known to leak when you start bumping up the boost. The old blow-off valve. Let's see if I can get this off without working up a sweat. I'm gonna have to get my hose pick on that one and break it loose. She's holding on tight. Oh yeah, I can hear her breaking loose. I got the top hose too. Here, where's that hose? Right there. I'm on. Boy, all these hoses holding on for dear life. They're holding on for dear life. There. Look at this cheap thing. Freaking a bunch of plastic. Now this is a hunk of metal. Turbo Smart. Whoo-hoo. Look at that, huh? Okay, so they gave us new clamps, so I'm going to replace those. New clamps. Oh, bailing on me. Light's bailing on me. What do we got here? Alright, so we'll torque that one after. Let's see what else we got here. Let's get this one snugged up. And then we'll get the torque screwdriver out. The stock one's known that if you exceed the much more than the standard boost from a stock sled, that it'll leak off and it won't build boost. So we're going to change it to this Turbo Smart, all aluminum. All right, where's that hose? Don't lose it. All right. Now we gotta get our hose clamp on back up there. You're having issues, aren't you, Light? Huh? You don't want to stay. All right, so we got 35 inch-pounds. Ooh, 53. What were we charging with that? So 35. go, 35. $35.31. All right. There we got the 3 bar map sensor, updated blow off valve. That's good, that's good. Okay, I think we're good to go.